Mickey Coleman, right here. Very good. I'm gonna take my favorite song of all time. You know what can we talk? Sitting home all alone. If you can come around, at least please tell the clock. Don't be true. You always true. Baby, I'll make you mad. Something I'm trying to say. Let's get my place. But if you start ahead, don't be true. You always true. I don't want no other love. Baby, it's just you want. You know. Don't stop the hang on me. Don't get this way. Don't know what you want me. Say, don't be true. Your heart is true. Why should we be apart? I really love you, baby. My heart. Let's go to the picture. Let us say I do. Then you'll know you'll help me. And I'll know it, I'll have you. Love it true. Your heart is true. I don't want no other love. Baby, it's just you want. Don't be cruel. Your heart is true. Don't be cruel. Your heart is true. I don't want no other love. Baby, it's just you want. I don't want no other lover. Baby, it's just you. I think you know. Thank you all so much. It's a long time. Welcome to the team.